Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you 3 settings you should turn off on your Samsung Galaxy device right now. These settings are gonna help you to keep your Samsung Galaxy running faster 100%, especially if you play games on it. Let me show you. Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna be using the Samsung Galaxy A10. This phone doesn't have a lot of capacity, that's why I'm gonna show you all the trick in case you have, a phone that doesn't have a lot of capacity to play games and you notice that your phone is running slow. The first thing you're gonna do, guys, let's go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down, let's go ahead and click on device care. Let's open the setting. Then let's go ahead and click on battery. Okay, now let's go ahead and click on those 3 dots on top right here, then settings. Okay, so here we have a setting that goes sleeping apps. That's the best setting, guys, to speed up your phone. Let me show you why. If you read right here, it says select apps that will never be able to run in the background. These apps might not receive updates or send notifications. That's the secret, guys. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna select apps that we never use on the phone. As you know, the phone always have a lot of apps that come by default, but you cannot remove them. But using that setting, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stop those apps from running in the background. And all the memory, RAM, and battery that those apps use all the time are gonna be available just for you. And also, if you're gonna do anything on your phone, obviously your phone is gonna be faster because those apps gonna stop using your phone capacity. Let me show you how to do it. All you need to do is just click on add. Then right here, you're gonna see all your phone apps. All the apps that you are supposed to select on this section right here are apps that you don't need, that you don't use, or you use but not more often. So let's do it. So I'm gonna select, in my case, I'm gonna select my Metro. That's my cell phone company app. I don't want the app to be running in the background using my phone memory and the capacity and battery and all that. So also this one, my files, my Metro. Let me see which one. Okay, Google One. I don't want the app also to be running in the background. So this one, the Galaxy app, and the calendar, and also this one. So that's all the apps that I don't want to be running in the background on my phone. Okay, on your phone you might have others app that you want to stop. So just do it and select the app that you think you don't need anymore, guys, to be running in the background. So after you do that, you need to go ahead and click on add, and they automatically will be in this section right here. So this app won't run in the background at all. And that's the first thing you need to do. Now let's go ahead with the next setting. On your phone, let's go ahead and open the settings. Then scroll down until you see the setting, device care. Let's go ahead and open it. It's the same setting, but now you're gonna click on the battery icon right here. Let's open it. Okay, then let's go ahead and click on those 3 dots on top and then settings. All right, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the settings, optimize settings. If you open that setting before you turn it on, let's open it first. If you read right here, it say automatically adjust your setting to have battery. Okay, that setting gonna help you to save battery. So I recommend you to turn it on. Then right here, you can choose which functions on your iPhone gonna stop working when your phone gets into battery saving mode. You know what I mean? For example, the brightness, reduce brightness. This one is really good to have it on, that setting. Screen timeout, it's really good to have it on too. And media volume. So that's the only setting I recommend to turn off if you have it on your phone. All right, let's go ahead with the next setting. Let's go ahead and open the settings. Then scroll down. Let's go ahead and click on apps. Right here, apps. Let's open the setting. Then let's go ahead and click on those 3 dots on top. And now let's go ahead and click on special access. Okay, guys, here you're gonna click on optimize battery usage. This is the trick. First of all, let's click on apps not optimized, and then let's go ahead and click on all. All right, this is the trick, guys. All the apps that have that setting on, those apps, when the phone gets into battery saving mode, automatically those apps reduce basically the speed to save battery. But if you have a game that is lagging a lot, sometimes it freezes up on the screen really slow, just make sure that game doesn't have this setting on, because that's the main reason why games lag and slow down without no reason. So just look for the game or the app that you want to be running fast all the time on your phone and turn off the setting. Only for the app that you really need to be running fast all the time on your phone, just turn off the setting. But I don't recommend you to turn off a lot of settings right here for a lot of apps, because that means all those apps are gonna be running fast and using your phone capacity without restriction. You know what I mean? Don't do that. Just at least 3 apps or 3 games. That's enough, guys. Not more than that. Trust me. And that's all you need to do. These are the 3 settings that you should change immediately on your Samsung Galaxy. If you got any question, please let me know. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.